Alright, so this is the package it came in, like that. Share the box. All these batteries, brand new. All of them. Does not seem to be working. Clicker is right there, but does not work anywhere I point it. Does not turn on. I will go turn it on. Come on. There you go. I don't know. I have to click it sometimes, a couple times. Hisense TV says it right there. Smart TV. But battery's still in it. Tried multiple different batteries. Opened 2 different battery packs. And nothing. Can't go to Netflix, Disney. Does not work for any button. I'm not sure you can hear the clicking, but I am indeed clicking.